Have you ever dreamed of sailing across the Mediterranean, island, hopping in the Caribbean, or spending an entire year living at sea without the massive cost of owning a yacht? Well, the rise of long-term yacht charters is turning that dream into reality. This growing lifestyle trend is redefining luxury travel, offering freedom, flexibility, and adventure like never before. So can chartering a yacht truly replace boat ownership? Let's find out. 1. The rise of nautical living. For many, chartering a yacht used to mean a week or two of luxury vacation, sailing between glamorous ports like Cannes, Ibiza, or St. Bart's. But that's changing fast. A growing number of experienced sailors, digital nomads, and families are now turning yachting into a lifestyle, not just a holiday. Companies like A2A Yachting have seen this shift firsthand. Since 2009, they've helped clients embark on long-term charters lasting anywhere from 1 month to over a year, sailing across the Ionian Islands, the Balearics, or even through the Panama Canal into the South Pacific. Imagine this: spending 5 months on a 40-foot catamaran, exploring Corsica, Sicily, the Cyclades, and Turkey's on the turquoise coast, all from your floating home. For others, it might mean wintering in the Caribbean, sailing from St. Lucia to the Grenadines, or even venturing as far as the Galapagos. It's not just travel, it's transformation. 2. A real-life story, from vacation to voyage. Back in 2009, an Australian family booked a simple 5-week sailing holiday in Croatia. But something changed. The sea's rhythm, the freedom, the adventure. It captured their hearts. That short vacation turned into a full year at sea, sailing from the UK to Australia. Their journey inspired many others to follow, not by buying a yacht, but through long-term charters. With the right planning and support, anyone can live the same dream without the risks, costs, and complications of full yacht ownership. 3. Why chartering beats buying. Owning a yacht sounds glamorous until you factor in the costs of maintenance, insurance, mooring, and depreciation. That's where long-term charters shine. At A2A Yachting, clients can charter yachts for 4 weeks, 6 months, or even 18 months, exploring multiple regions around the world. You can sail a Dufour 530 in Greece, a Sunreef 60 in the Mediterranean, or even a 130-foot Sunseeker in the south of France. This approach offers flexibility, financial freedom, and access to expert guidance, all without being tied to one boat. And when the adventure ends, you simply step off. No selling, no maintenance, no stress. 4. When chartering becomes ownership. Of course, for some, long-term charters become the gateway to yacht ownership. After months at sea, a couple might decide to buy their own Oyster or Nauter's Swan, or even build a custom yacht. A2A Yachting helps clients through every stage, from selecting the right shipyard to overseeing construction and delivery. Whether you rent, buy, or build, the goal is the same: sail smarter, live freer. 5. The future of nautical nomads. Today's world is more connected than ever. With remote work and satellite internet like Starlink Maritime, more professionals are turning yachts into mobile offices. Families are homeschooling at sea. Retirees are downsizing to live aboard solar-powered catamarans. And digital nomads are redefining the meaning of home. Long-term chartering opens doors to hidden islands, secluded bays, and untouched coasts, places unreachable by land. It's not just a vacation anymore. It's a new way of life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe for more.